Welcome to my channel and welcome to my new video. So, today we'll be talking about how to get free Google certification courses, right? So, Today we'll be discussing about two things. One is to get a paid certification from Google, and another would be to get free certification from Google. So, it's very simple, it's very easy. You can always log into Google accounts. You can always log into this Google skill accounts and get certified whenever you want to. So there are lots of courses. There are 160 plus courses that you can choose from, and out of this, you can pick the right ones, the ones that actually give you certifications, and from there you can easily take the course online and you can get certified. Let's start. So the first one would be to see about free certification courses, right? So to access this, all you need to go over to Google and type something like Google free certification courses. You'll find some of this uh, links, some of the ads. So here actually we have a link. So that says Learn Digital with Google. So it's also called Digital Garage. So you can simply open the link, right? So Google Digital Garage is the place where you'll be able to get some free courses and actually get certified for free. So let's sign in. I'll use my Google account to sign in. So it's really easy. So just sign in. So there you go. So there are lots of categories you can pick from. You can pick digital marketing, you can pick career development, you can pick data. Similarly, there are lots of courses that you can choose from, right? So, Whichever you want to, because all of the courses created by Google are very, very insightful, that are very helpful. You can learn lots of things. It's not only related to digital marketing. So basically, people says that digital garage is something related to digital marketing courses, but it's not. There are varieties of courses you can pick from. If you're a fresher, if you have just started a career, if you're planning to build a career on something in a industry, you can always pick out. You can always look out for. So you'll also find certification. You can see for free certifications. So these all are free certifications. There are 59 courses that provides certifications. There are also some paid certifications that you can also look for. So webinars for everyone. Currently, there are no any paid certifications by Digital Garage. So for now, let's see this fundamentals of digital marketing, which most of the people do, which most of the people I have seen on LinkedIn sharing this certificate of theirs. So fundamentals of digital marketing. So this has been created by Google, the Open University, and IAM.com. So the online opportunity, the course progress, the modules, hours. So it's for beginner and it's completely free. So you can simply start and take this course. So after getting this course, you'll also get certifications for free, right? So yeah, this is how it goes. You can start learning and you can get certified for free. So this would be one of the options if you're looking for some free certification online courses. So Google Digital Garage online courses. So let me also talk about something uh, interesting inside this, which people usually fail to explore. So one is Digital Garage, right? Here is an interesting thing. Here's a thing called live training. So, what live training does, it will give you a free online webinar. It's related to lots of industries, lots of things. It's also related to online sales, personal brand, digital skills, right? So, there are lots of courses. Let me pick one of it. All right, build a personal brand. So you can always sign up. You can always join this webinar. So Google webinars are very, very insightful. They are very uh, beneficial if you're looking to grow your career skills wise. So you can always check out Google Digital Garage. It's one place you always want to be if you're looking to learn something. So Yeah, learn digital with Google is your URL, or simply Digital Garage by Google, right? So I'm closing this. Now we head on to the next one, which is a paid Google certification courses, right? So here, and once again, write Google free certification courses. You'll find a link which says grow.google certificates. So it's Grow by Google. It used to be called Grow by or Grow with Google previously. So Grow with Google is another online course place, marketplace. So this is a massive marketplace for learning different courses, learning different skills that will directly put out to you on a priority list of employers. Since you get a certified course, since you get a certification, so let's see, you are currently on career certificates on a credential that can lead to jobs in high growth field. So it's a digital marketing e-commerce, the industry that is training worldwide at the moment. You can go for IT support, you can go for data analytics, you can also go for project management, UX design, and so on. So you can pick out of this, and you can always click on learn more. So actually these courses are very cheap, they aren't expensive. If you are trying to invest on something that is very much insightful for you, so you can check it out, you can click on learn more, you can get started. So since Coursera is affiliated with Google, so they will be the course provider, Coursera. So you can simply click on get started, and you can enroll for free. So this will also up to you to enter your payment details, start free trial. So yeah, you can enter your card details and you can enroll for free. So they will offer you 7-day trial of Zero USD. After that, they will also charge you $39 per month. So yeah, so $39 per month is, I think, a good deal for getting a professional certificate from a professional tutor, from a professional mentor. So you can always try. So so similarly, on like on the previous site on this regards, here's an interesting thing. Here's also a thing called live training. So live training, what you can do, you can get free workshops, you can get free learnings, free webinars from lots of instructors, lots of tutors, lots of mentors. So you can simply type the location where you want to get virtual training from. So I typed on USA. So there's an event coming up, Grow with Google event. Free virtual Google workshop events and one-on-one coaching sessions, right? You can simply register, it will be completely free, this won't be uh, charged. So this is one place you can always get for free, right? So we use grow on with Google, and we picked live training, and from this we can register for free. So there are two options inside this. One is to uh, get paid courses, and other one is to get free courses, right? So this is how we unlocked some free courses from Grow with Google, right? So yes, guys, this is it. So thank you for watching the video. So if you are a digital marketer, or if you are into any specific industry, you can always try these two online courses by Google, which is a paid courses and which is non-paid courses. You can get certified for free or by paying, and you can boost your resume, you can share on LinkedIn, you can share on your website, you can, and then get some really good impressions among employers or recruiters, because Google certificates really matters currently, right? So thank you. So please do subscribe me. I'll be coming up with some more interesting contents. So thank you. Signing off. Bye bye.